Being a well-prepared camper or four-wheel driver is all about being able to deal with common mechanical breakdowns that you might come across, whether it's on your own car or someone else's. Here's a ripper combo from 4-Wheel Drive Supacentre that'll help you deal with just about any common breakdown. The Adventure King's breakdown kit includes the legendary Bush Mechanic Toolkit, a Hercules tyre repair kit, and a set of ultra heavy duty 750 amp jumper leads. The Ripper 150-piece Bush Mechanic Toolkit has a huge range of tools to help fix all sorts of breakages. You get high-quality spanners, sockets, pliers, screwdrivers, hammer, hacksaw, breaker bar, Allen keys, fuses and more in a tough, durable, soft case that fits perfectly in your drawers or behind your seat. A flat tyre out bush can easily be sorted with the complete Hercules tyre repair kit. It's got everything you need to fix a puncture, as well as replace tyre valves and patch bike tubes or inflatable beds or toys. And the best way to sort out a flat battery is with the heavy-duty 750 amp jumper leads. They're suitable for all vehicles up to V8 diesels and have built-in surge protection to ensure you don't damage delicate electronics on modern vehicles. These 3 bits of essential gear are already great value when you buy them separately, but combine them in the Adventure King's breakdown kit to save even more. Just check out what price we've got on them today.